Would you just look at that?
Ah, would you look at that sunset?
Okay, can you back up, please?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to start today's video in a place a little more interesting than just my condo or, you know, just, I don't know. It's pretty nice though, right? So cool to me. Today's weather is perfect for today's video, which we are installing like a massively fun part, but it's extremely small. It's so small, in fact, that it's in my hand right here. So it's the Ebrake button for the Scion FRS GT86 BRZ. This, I'd never have figured out if it's universal amongst cars or not, but this one is specifically for the 86, hence the 86 logo, which is why I really liked it, which is why I went for it. We're gonna be installing this today, and I think we're gonna be doing something the world has never seen, the YouTube world has never yet seen. We're not only installing this, that's just one part. We're gonna go test it out. Probably gonna rain again, hopefully it does, so we can test out this little guy. It's gonna be hella fun, very fun video. Next weekend we have our very first drift event that we have ever been to. I'm extremely stoked, but I gotta admit as well, I also feel like I need to poop my pants every time I think about it. One thing I wanted to mention here before we take off entirely, and I'm gonna try and not let my muffler delete ruin this, but we are not necessarily done with autocross. We still have plenty of tire left on the RE71. I still have plenty of goals with the car in terms of racing, so we are not done with autocross. Don't get me wrong at all. This is not turning into a drift car today. This is just an easy mod that's gonna make our time a little more fun next weekend. And just to put it into context, this month is my birthday. I'm being like a basic modern girl in the universe, and the whole month has been declared my birthday, of course. But anyways, that's it. I really just want to celebrate. I want to drive. I want to have fun. And this is actually a bonus to us doing autocross because we get to learn more about the car, get to be more one with the car. So without further ado, let's get to the garage. And welcome back. So we are at the garage, but all we really needed was some vice grips to get this little ding-a-ling off. I've watched a few videos on it. If you really want to make sure that you're not gonna score this, try and use some type of material. I'm not so confident that this is gonna work out, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go bare bones here, right on her.
One eternity later.
So I might need to grab something to pull this spring, because there's still a spring in here, which is getting in the way. This is a nice little comfy fit. And we're back just in time because the mosquitoes are starting to come, so the spring, also very important. So I'll put it in my very important stash right there, which is very unsafe. We're gonna thread on now our new little button, which is pretty dope. The fit is like very, very good. Let's try it out now. All right, we are all set here, I believe. That's the quickest install I've ever done of anything ever in my life. And boom, we have the perfect 86 logo now. I like it. We're ready for our test run. So I'll be back in a minute once we are in Mexico / I don't know, Cuba, or maybe maybe Russia. That's probably a good place. All right, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit here. Alright guys, we are in Mexico. We are about to test our little Ebrake device here. It seems to be working so far. See how it does. Luckily it's still a little damp, although it is drying up. So, who knows. I'm also going like pretty slow because I've never done this before. Okay. right, guys, so that is going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the world's first install of Ebrake button. Not only install, but test of Ebrake button. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed this. Something I forgot to mention, this Ebrake button, this beautiful little thing was created by Touge Factory TF. Pretty cool little part, pretty snazzy. I love it. The fit and finish is pretty awesome. A little bit of rattle, but I have yet to experience a problem with that. And I mean, whenever you do more and more race car-ish stuff, more fun stuff, the more and more sound it's going to generate. So we have a lot of preparations to do before Orlando Drift, the Learner's Day, which is next week, the 27th. And I am very stoked for once to do all this work. It's, I mean, work, right? I barely have to do shit. So I'm stoked. I'm very stoked. I have more confidence in second gear. I'm stoked that I did an Ebrake initiation. I did install the car. I'm stoked I didn't completely wipe out. I'm stoked my instincts are working. So off to the computer to play some more Assetto Corsa and just keep practicing. So hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. Later. Bye-bye.